SOSfix. We have this PS4 Slim. Model number is a CUH15B. The problem in this one is drop it and they start getting this error. So I did try to reload the new system, format the hard drive, and it's stuck at this so you're gonna need to change the hard drive. So this is 1 terabyte hard drive. Reinstall it and we load the new system to download the system software. So we go to this link. We're gonna download this file here, not this one. This is just the update. I think this one is about like 300 meg, but this one is over 1000 meg. So if I click to this link, it's gonna start downloading over there. You can see it is 1000.3 is 1003 meg. So if you have this file here, let me click to this one just to show you. This one is about like 400 meg, so this is the wrong one. So I'm gonna wait till this one is downloaded, then we're gonna show you how to put it in the flash drive and to reinstall the system. So on the computer, use any flash drive 2 gig or more. Should be the flash drive is formatted as FAT32. So to be sure, that's the flash drive is a FAT32. You go to the PC, and this is the flash drive. So right click to it, and all the way here, and it show here is a FAT32. If it's not, right click on the flash drive, then format, and select here FAT32. So I don't need to format this one. After you format it, so just but be sure you have no important file in the flash drive before you format it. I'm gonna open the flash drive. I'm gonna see this folder here. So inside that folder, you're going to create another folder, give it a name, update, capital, update. Then inside that folder, transfer the file that you did download from the PS4. This is the file, is a PS4 update, all capital, .pup. So the file size is 1026 meg. So be sure that's the size of the file. So plug it to the PS4. We're going to need to plug the controller. Click to the PS button, this one here, and it's taking us to the screen. Reinstall system software. Click X. And it's asking you if we connect to the version 7.5.1. Move to OK. The USB flash drive is flashing over there. Now it's looking for that file. So here it said the PS4, it find the file and it's going to be delete all user data. Of course, this is a new hard drive. We don't care about the user data. So click yes. Okay, so it may take like about 5 minutes or so. So it's still going. You don't need to click nothing, just keep watching the process. This is how you upgrade your hard drive, or you change the hard drive if your hard drive is crashed or bad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next one.